Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to your update on XRP. It was needed. XRP, well, to be honest, it hasn't moved that much in the last couple of days. Like basically, the last big movements were the 24th of October, so that was Tuesday, I believe, when obviously the whole market was moving a lot. And since then, XRP kind of has been on standby. All right, it has been consolidating here between support around, let's say, 54 and a half cents, obviously supported with a lot of different support levels there at that same area. And then it has been finding resistance at around 56 and 56 and a half cents, which has been our main price target as well for the last week, if bullish momentum would come. All right, so those are two very strong key levels. Just in general, like XRP really is stuck, all right, because the support is very strong. You have different Fibonacci levels there, 50 EMA, it's a big key level in general. And then this resistance is also pretty strong because Bitcoin is actually showing some weakness, which obviously does not help. And then and then it has the 0.5 fib, and now also has the retest of the 0.236 fib. So the big question is all right, well, what's next for XRP? Which one of those levels is going to break first? Because that is essentially what we need to know. All right, so it's going to be a difficult question to answer. I'm just going to be honest. And the big question is, and most of you know that, like I don't even like saying this anymore, but XRP is very correlated to Bitcoin. So first of all, it depends on Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, let's be honest, is looking a little bit weak, or at least Bitcoin itself is still pretty bullish. But with every bearish momentum that we get from Bitcoin, altcoins actually do react quite a lot, which is not great. For altcoins at least, but it also means that there's like that also matters for XRP. It's technically also an altcoin. And then for XRP specifically, if we take a look at the price, or not at the price, but if we take a look at some other statistics, if I can type, please, you'll see that the open interest, like, it has decreased a little bit over the course of today, and the volume as well, but over the last week has been stable. So XRP, I would say, technically is still bullish. All right, there's nothing bearish about XRP technically. It's still making higher lows. It's not making higher highs, but you cannot expect that on such a short time frame. So technical structure bullish, but then apart from that, everything else is neutral. And even if you zoom in a lot, like I said, it's just stuck in this area. So I have to tell you, which is a little bit against my intuition, because I do feel like Bitcoin is a bit weak. And I do think Bitcoin will pull back in the next week. Not sure when. But so it's against my intuition, but I have to tell you that I think it's more likely that XRP will hold support and at some point of time break above 56.5 cents to rally up to the next price target around 0.6. But that's mainly based, like for 80%, that's based on the technical structure right now. And it's always more likely that a coin will follow the structure it is in. All right, so personally, I would not long XRP. I think there are other coins which are better to long, but I do think this is the most likely scenario. All right, it's very reliant on it's very dependent on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin starts dropping down towards this level right here at around 32,000 and 32,500, XRP will follow that. All right, XRP will follow that. It will break down below 54 cents and probably drop down all the way back down towards 52 and 51 and a half cents. So that is a possibility, depending on how today kind of develops. But at this moment that we're speaking, you and me, right now, it still seems most likely that XRP will continue going up. So that's my take. That's my video. If you do have any questions, then let me know down in the comments. Apart from that, if you did not know, I think most of you know, but I also have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my trades and way more. You can all see that on cilinix.com. There are links down in the description or the pinned comment as well. If you actually want to become a better trader yourself while making some profits, I think this is the ideal solution. Links will be down in the description and the pinned comment, like I said. For now, thank you for watching. Have a great weekend in advance, and bye.